Welcome back to another video, guys. Today we are working on the Juke. That's right, adding another mod. Nothing serious. This time it's cosmetic. You know, something that's going to help the Juke stand out a little bit and make it a little more personal, if you will. So something came in the mail. Let's go check it out. Now, as you guys know, the Juke itself is a pretty unique vehicle. It stands out on its own, especially with the nice Nismo mirrors. And when I got the car, it came with these pretty cool 20-inch rims, black rims, so it stands out a little bit, but I want to make it a little bit more personable. So we got something that's going to do that. So what are we working with? Well, guess what? Today we got ourselves a package. Let's open this up and see what it is. All right, let's open this bad boy up. It came in the mail here. Some pretty quick shipping. Came from overseas, so let's see what it is. Pull this on out. Kind of beat up, ain't it? Alright. Got a little spatula in here. What are we going to use that for? And then we got this nice decal. That's right, it's a decal. We got ourselves a decal. It looks like they threw an extra sticker in here. That's kind of cool. Throw that to my extras. And I don't know. Oh, looks like my spatula actually broke. So I guess I can't really use that, which is okay because I got my own. Alright guys, real easy project here today. We're going to be throwing on this decal. It's going to go on the side of the car here. So right here along the side, it's a Nismo style racing stripe. This is all the products we're actually going to need to do this job. So we got our 91% isopropyl alcohol, some cleaning solution, clean off the dirt from the car, microfiber cloths, a squeegee spatula like thing to kind of smooth out onto the car. Need yourself a razor blade, some tape, and the decal. Now, super simple project, so let's go ahead and do it. First thing, number one, spray down your car. Make sure it's nice and clean with your multi-purpose cleaner or whatever you have, basically soapy water. And then go ahead, use one of your microfiber cloths, clean the surface. Then you want to take your alcohol, step two, go ahead and pour that over a clean microfiber cloth, wipe that down, make sure it's nice and dry. Then go ahead and take your decal, whichever you're putting onto the car, position it where you want it to go. Get your tape, step three, tape it in position so you know exactly where it's going to lay. And then peel off the white backing. You can see here, these are two different sheets here. So you have a white backing and a clear backing. Peel off the white backing, leaving the clear on for now. Then step four, take that soapy water solution, spray the car and the decal, and then go ahead and put it all the way on. Then you want to squeegee, use your squeegee. It's got a beveled edge, so that way you're going at an angle, you're not cutting into your car, using any scrapes, you're not tearing up the decal, you're squeegeeing out all that soapy water. And then you can go ahead and peel off the remaining clear film, and you should be left with a perfect product. finished up. I got it all on here. Looks pretty good. I like it. It turned out really nice. For now, success. Appreciate you guys if you made it all the way to the end. If you like this particular decal, I'm gonna leave a link in the description on where I got it from. There's only one website I was able to find that actually had this particular one, which is the Nismo racing stripe in this particular colorway. So it took a little bit to get here. It came all the way from China, so I guess if you want to have that wait time, you can get this one. I like the way it turned out. Like I said, hopefully it stays. But anyway, this is a pretty cool, unique mod. So now my car can stand out just a little bit more and makes it a little bit more unique to me. All right, guys, to the next video. See you later.